In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check activity on Salesforce. We're going to walk through this using a contact record as an example, but the process is very similar if you're working with leads, accounts, or opportunities. So you can apply the same approach across all of those. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce homepage, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you should see your primary navigation items. Look for the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click that to open your contact list. On the Contacts page, you'll see a table or list of all the contacts you have access to. Take a moment to find the specific contact whose activity you want to review. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of records. Once you've found the right contact, click on their name to open their contact page. Now you're on the detailed view for that contact. In the center of the page, look for a card or section that usually appears near the top. This card typically has a row of icons along the top, such as an envelope for email, a calendar, a phone book or people icon, and a checklist icon. This section is your main activity hub. If you scroll slightly within the central card or look toward the bottom of it, you should see the activity list. This is where Salesforce groups all of the relevant actions and tasks for that contact. Here, you'll usually see categories like upcoming, overdue, and completed. Upcoming activities are things that are scheduled for the future, such as calls you still need to make or meetings that haven't happened yet. Overdue activities are items that were scheduled for a past date but haven't been completed or logged. Completed activities show you the history of what has already been done, like calls completed, email sent, or task finished. Reviewing these sections is a great way to quickly understand the status of your relationship and any follow-ups that might be needed. If you don't see this activity card in the exact spot I'm describing, don't worry. Page layouts can be customized in Salesforce, so it may appear a bit higher or lower, or even as a separate tab or section. Simply scroll down the contact page and also check for tabs or headings like activity, activity timeline, or related until you find the same kind of upcoming, overdue, and completed activity list. The same pattern applies if you open a lead, an account, or an opportunity. Open the record, locate the central or activity section, and review upcoming, overdue, and completed items to stay on top of your work.